Hey guys, Oriana here, and today I will be doing a slime tutorial video. I have not done a slime video for YouTube in a very long time, so I'm super excited to do this slime video for you guys. So today's video, as you seen by the title, is how to make thick fluffy slime. So what you'll be needing for this is some cornstarch, some Elmer's school glue. Let me see if I can fit it in the camera. Some Elmer's school glue. You're going to be needing a container to hold your borax. You're going to be needing some borax powder and some warm water that's in the microwave right now for 1 minute, and some shaving cream. I have this, which is something I picked up at the store. It is slime. It says it's great for slime. It's whipped soap and it smells like bubble gum, so I chose this. So yeah, you're gonna need something to mix with and mix in. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is add in some glue. So let's pour the glue in. I'm going to be making a giant batch. Well, not a giant batch, but a big batch of this slime. So there we go. And next I'm going to add in my cornstarch, which is already messy because it's all in the lid. I'm going to try to put as much as I need. So let's try this. Okay, so 1, 2, oh my gosh, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. So I'm using 7 spoons of cornstarch because I have a bigger batch of slime. If you have a smaller one, like a normal size batch, like a normal bottle of glue, then you can use 1 spoon or 2. It just depends on how thick you want it. So now I'm just gonna mix that in. It's so foggy in the camera area. Look how thick it is, though. Getting very thick because it's harder and harder to mix. And I see some cornstarch at the bottom I'm trying to get. So after you mix that in, you're going to want to get your warm water and borax ready. So you don't want burning hot water, but you just want some warm water. So this is the important part that you really have to pay attention at, is the borax. If you add too much borax, your borax could be too strong for your slime and overactivate it and ruin your slime. So you're just going to want to put like that much. I feel like it should work. It just depends. You have to test it out to see which amount is like the right amount for you. So here is my borax. So now what I'm going to do, this is the hard, difficult part, is actually pouring it into your container. So I'm using this $1 water bottle from Dollar Tree. I also got the spoons from Dollar Tree. You can find almost all of this at Dollar Tree: the bowls, the spoon, the borax, the container, some small glue bottles, and yeah, and the cornstarch. You can find like all of this at the dollar store, which is very cheap and nice. So you can put it in the bottle if you want. You can leave it out the bottle. I think mine is a little bit too warm, too hot for the bottle. So I'm just going to set it aside and bring back my slime bucket. So I'm going to start putting spoons of activator into the bucket. I think I'm gonna put 5 just to be safe and mix that in. There's slime shooting everywhere. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I'm just gonna get this all off. It's a lot of slime. Look at that. That is very, very nice. I like it. Okay, we have to add some more activator because it's way too sticky. I think my borax is a little bit thin. So this is like where experimenting comes in. Experiment with the borax. Just add like a little bit more borax if it's still warm. And see if that works out better. And if it's a little bit stronger, like you like it. So we're gonna mix that in. Okay. Now I'm going to pour some in, and don't pour it on your hands if it's hot because you don't want to burn yourself. That seems like enough. I'm going to touch it. Oh, it's actually very warm. That's nice. It's steaming, but it's not hot. It's like pretty warm now. So you're going to want to go in with both hands and knead it. Put more non-white. You can remove it from the bucket if you would like and knead it on the table. But I'm just gonna knead it. I'm gonna move the bucket and show you guys me kneading it. It's so sticky. Here's a little bit of ASMR. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's a pretty good ASMR. Okay. So now I'm gonna put it on the table. I've kneaded it so much. It's almost ready. Let's add these little bits left in the bucket in there. There we go. Don't mind that piece of dirt that got in my slime that I just took out. Oh my gosh, so if you see those like little stretch lines in there, that is because you have to like play with your slime a bit to get it to wear out a little bit. But that is some nice slime. So if you're wondering if I forgot about the shaving cream, no I didn't. It's almost the last step. So you're gonna, if your slime won't fix itself, like if it's so thick, you can add like a little bit of glue. It'll help it out a little bit. I'm gonna add it. I don't really need it, but I'll add it. So there's some. And if you don't see, it's right there. Glue. Okay, so I'm just going to mix that in some. It will get a little bit sticky though, because it's trying to mix in the glue. It is so hard. Guys, I said thick slime, and this is a thick slime. Look. Oh my gosh. I just got it all in the activator. Oops, I overactivated it a little bit. But I really like it. Look at that. I really like it. It is very, very, very thick. So now what I'm going to do is add in this bubblegum scented whipped soap / shaving cream. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. That was very, very satisfying though. Oh my gosh. Wait, hold on. Guys, I have not tried this before, and look at this. Like, I can touch it. Oh my gosh. Is this what they use in those slime ASMR videos? Hold on. This is cool. It's like getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Wow. That's so satisfying. Wait, hold on guys. I'm going to show you something. Look, watch this. So satisfying. Oh my gosh. So we have to mix in the slime, but it does not want to. It's like some foam. Which it is foam, but you know what I mean? Like foam. Like if I do that, it's gonna come out. It just comes out. But we're gonna keep trying to mix it in. Whoa. I really like this stuff. It's very satisfying. Watch. So satisfying. Like you can keep going and going, and I think what makes it smaller and smaller is that's like absorbing, like your skin is absorbing it. Yes. I really love it. And it's making the slime super crunchy. I'm giving you guys some ASMR. Some very, very good ASMR. I'm gonna get the camera closer so you guys might be able to hear a little bit better. So let me just boom. Yep. I got this stuff from Walmart in the toy section. If you go in the toy section, like where all the slime and stuff is. Yes, get this, guys. It's so crunchy. It makes your slime so crunchy and it's so satisfying to squish and squeeze, and it's like touchable. It's cool. And it's still crunchy. Oh my gosh. Like when I poke it, it's crunchy. Hold on. I'm making something. I'm making it into like a bubble rock thing. There. Bubble. Like when you barely touch the bubbles, they give you like a amazing crunch. And if you're wondering what's all the stuff on my hand, it's just the glue, the sticky old slime glue. So I'm gonna go and add some more. Go ahead and add some more of the foam. Look, watch this. Oh my gosh, hold on. Here's the foam. It went to outer space. Let's take it downward. Whoa. Wow. Watch this. Wow. I think I might have to move the camera up because it's getting pretty close. Let's move it up. Hold on, I got stuff all over my hands. I'm just gonna leave it in this view and like you'll just know how big this is. And this smells so good. It smells like literal bubblegum. Like they took bubblegum, soaked it in water, which is pretty nasty. And like they had the flavor in the water and like the scent in the water, and like you just add it to this and it smells amazing. It smells like real bubblegum. Oh my gosh, I'm just getting carried away with this stuff. It's amazing. Look at all this. Oh no, it fell on the floor. It's okay because it's dry. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. I wish you guys actually saw that. So it made like a bubble and then I popped the bubble and it exploded this foam everywhere. It's just so cool. I love this stuff. I need like a gallon, like a real shaving cream size can, because it's gonna be gone fast. I feel like I'm doing an ASMR video right now. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm just trying to mix in my slime. It's not necessarily mixing. I'm just so quiet because it's an ASMR moment. It's just so good. Okay. Look at those string beans. Okay, we have our slime. Whoa. Let's swirl it. And swirl. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it got under my nails. So much glitter. It's like one of those glitter slimes you buy from the store and you're like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And then you have to get it. This is that slime. It's so pretty and crunchy. Look at those sparkles. And it's so light pink. I love it. I'm going to swirl again. Look at this beautiful slime. It's so pretty. It's so pink and it's so gorgeous. I love it. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell for post notifications to all my fun videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.